let's discuss about parts of a flower. Here children, to identify parts of a flower, I have chosen shoe flower. Children, why I have chosen shoe flower to identify parts of a flower? Here children, shoe flower is a typical flower which includes all parts of a flower. Here children, this shoe flower is a bisexual flower. What is called as bisexual flower? Bisexual flower means both male and female parts are present in one flower. When all together both of these male and female parts are available in one flower is called as bisexual flower. Now let's identify what are these parts of flower. We are going to cut down this flower and show all the parts which included in a flower. Let's identify parts of a flower. Children, first of all, you can see stalk of the flower. Thereafter, you can see sepals of this flower. Sepals of this flower. Thereafter, you can see colorful petals of the flower. What is this tubular structure? This tubular structure is called as style. Now, I told you that shoe flower is a bisexual flower. You know, bisexual flower means both male and female parts are present in one flower. Here children, you can see stamens are present on this style. Here children, stamens are called as male part of a flower. Children, this stamen included two parts which is called as anther and filament. Anther you can see which is in yellow color and this one is filament. At the end of this style, you can see stigma. You can see stigma. This stigma and style belongs to female part of the flower while stamens belongs to male part of the flower. Okay children, now we are going to cut down this flower to identify internal structures of this flower, right? Okay. We'll cut down flower at this point and then we are going to cut it into two equal halves. Now children, you can see one half of this flower. Here children, you can identify internal structures inside this flower. Now you can see, right? I hope that you can see it, right? Here this one is called as ovary. This one is called as ovary, right? Children, you can see style, right? You can see the style, the tubular structure of style we can see thereafter, right? So here children, you can see it is going up to the stigma, right? Okay. Here, first of all, you identify ovary of the flower, ovary of the flower. Thereafter, you can see style is going up to the stigma, right? Here, children, inside this ovary, there are small ovules, children. There are small white colored ovules. Okay. Now you identified ovary, style, and stigma. Children, all together, these three parts called as female part of the flower. And then it is called as gynecium of the flower. Children, now you can see stamens of the flower. Stamens are considered as male part of the flower. These stamens includes these stamens include anther and filament. You can see here yellow colored anther and pinkish red color filament. All together, this is called as androsium of the flower. Androsium means male part of the flower. Since this flower is a bisexual flower, both male part, which is called as androsium, female part, which is called as gynecium, both are present in one flower. So that's why we call this flower as bisexual flower. Okay, children, I hope that you observed and identified what are the parts of a flower. Children, I hope that you enjoyed this video.